Tootsie Roll Fudge.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. To make this recipe, you'll need some Tootsie Rolls. I'm using the miniature kind. You need about 2 cups worth, which is about 60 or so. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of butter in a large saucepan over medium-low heat, more on the low side. Stir it around until everything is nicely melted together and it's nice and smooth. And then once that's done, you're going to take it off the heat and we're going to add a couple more ingredients. You're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of milk or cream. And then stir those things together until that is smooth. And now we're going to beat in some powdered sugar. The original recipe asked for 3 3/4 cups, and I found that the extra 3/4 cup was too much. I found that 3 cups of powdered sugar was plenty. It is very hard to stir in. The first cup isn't too bad, but as you continue on, it gets harder and harder. So you need a lot of elbow grease for this. When you add the last cup of powdered sugar, the 3rd cup, add in a cup of nuts if you like. I'm using chopped pecans, and stir until that's combined. It thickens up very quickly, and it's you need a little bit of strength to get that stirred up properly. I found 3 cups to be fine. If your fudge is really runny at this point, maybe you can add another 1/4 cup at a time until it's very, very stiff like this. Then you're going to line an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with aluminum foil. Lightly grease the foil with butter or cooking spray. Add the fudge mixture that will still be quite warm. Pat it down so it's nice and smooth, and make sure there's no air pockets in there. And then take a sharp knife and just score the top of the fudge in approximately 1 inch by 1 inch squares. These are probably a little bit bigger. It'll just make it easier to cut later on. And then decorate as desired. I'm using M&Ms, just red and green, because I'm making these for Christmas time. And then all you have to do is put it in the refrigerator until it's set, and then cut it up. And then you can store it at room temperature afterwards. And there it is. It tastes a little bit like Tootsie Roll. People probably won't guess unless you tell them there's Tootsie Rolls in there. It just has a very light chocolatey flavor. It is a very nice, easy fudge. If you like making candy at home, here are some more videos for you to check out. Thanks for watching.